Hi, this is John on behalf of Expert Village. In this video clip, I'll show you how to lay out and cut out your sides. We know we want the depth of our desk to be 20 inches. So for our side, I want to leave a 1-inch overhang. So this would be my board underneath that's acting as my left support. You'll notice I left a little gap here, and that's going to be 1 inch. In addition, on this board, I'm going to add 3/4 inches of trim to cover up that edge of plywood. So 20 inches minus 1 3/4 will give me the depth of my side. On my cutting chart, I have cut out my top, and now I'm cutting out my right and left side. Our depth is going to be 18 1/4, and our height is going to be 29 1/4. Because our top is 3/4 of an inch thick, that'll total 30 inches from floor to the top of our top. Now taking a look at my cut chart, I can just make this cut all the way across and it won't interfere with anything. So I'm going to do that first. For this, I will be using a panel saw, which is basically just a skill saw in the vertical position. Next, I will set my table saw to 18 1/4 inches and cut out 2 pieces at 18 1/4.